Hi, are you ready to make your bird feeder? All right, I decided to come outside. I am in between rainstorms, so I may have to dodge inside really quick if it starts to rain. But I wanted to do this outside because with the bird seed, it can kind of get everywhere. And so I figure if the best place to do it is outside, that way if I spill any, it doesn't matter. The birds will come and eat it anyways. So I'm going to move the camera down a little bit so you can kind of see what I've got going on down here while I talk about it. So I went and got a paper plate. And I got a spoon that I'm going to use to scoop my seed. I have my bag of seed from the packet. And I have the platform, the feeding platform that came with the packet, and my water bottle or soda bottle, whichever one you decided to use. So first, I want to talk a little bit about the seed. I'm going to pour some out onto this plate so we can kind of take a look at what we have in here. This seed is a different, there's all different kinds in here. Sometimes it'll have just one kind of seed in there, and different seeds can attract different birds. So this is called a mixed seed, and I was going to go over I know just a few of them. I don't know all of them, but I thought we could go over them together. So let's see. Let's talk about this first one, this big one. Let me move this out of the way a little bit so we kind of have an idea which one I'm speaking about. All right, so this black one here. This is actually a sunflower seed. And some of you may actually eat sunflower seeds. They're really, really good. I like them. And so do birds. And they come and they'll eat those sunflower seeds. The other in here is a, it's called a safflower seed. And that is this little white one right here. This is a safflower seed. Let me see if I got another one. That might be another safflower seed. And both sunflower seeds and safflower seeds make other things. They make oil with them. There's safflower oil or sunflower oil. You can make different things. They actually make sun butter for people who are allergic to peanut butter. They can make a substance that's like peanut butter out of sunflower seeds. And I've had it. I like it. It's pretty good. And then there's, let's see, what else do we have here? It's called, I think it's Niger seed. I'm not sure if this one, if I can find any of that. It might be this little one right here. It's usually black, so I don't know if we have any in here. And then the next thing is millet. And that's what this kind of yellowish looking, I'm trying to find more of a yellowish looking one. They're very small. It's kind of yellowish millet is what it is. And then there's another one called cracked corn. I don't have any in this one, but so this one must not have cracked corn in it. And then the last one is red Milo or Milo, and you see that a lot in here. Now, this it's kind of like that they call a filler seed, and so they have different varieties of that, and that's just kind of helps you helps fill up the birds. But the ones they really, really like are these sunflower and the safflower ones. So that's a little bit about the type of seeds that we're going to put in our bird feeder today. I'm going to turn this back up just a little bit. Move it back. So what I'm going to do, I'll put this back in here. Now, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your platform. And we're going to have to kind of take this apart a little bit. And you're probably going to need mom or dad's help with this. On here is the handle. That's this part right here. So you're going to have to bend this and break it off. It's just kind of hard. So like I said, you're going to have to need mom and dad. You'll definitely need mom and dad when it comes to poking a hole in the water bottle, because Miss Angie meant to do that before she started this, but she forgot. So this is your handle, and it's going to go onto the bottom of or the top of your bottle, depending on how you look at it. And this is called the platform. So what we'll do is, eventually we're going to put the platform and the water bottle together. And then that's going to be your bird feeder. But we got a couple of steps first. Once you separate that out, now you have to look at your bottle, and you're going to have to take a pair of scissors or a knife, and this is only for mom and dad to help you with. You don't do this yourself. And you're going to poke a hole into the water bottle. On both sides. Okay, there. Now you're going to insert the handle into the water bottle where you poke the holes. The holes aren't quite big enough. There's one, and here's the other. So there I've got, sorry. Okay, so there I have my handle and my water bottle. Now the next thing you want to do is you're going to want to fill your water bottle with your seeds. Now remember I talked about your math assignment was to find out how many scoops it takes. So that's what you guys are going to do. Now I am going to leave this in. I need to create a funnel. I don't have a funnel in my house, so I'm going to create one. So I'm going to move this and I'm going to show you how you can create a funnel too. So you're going to take a regular piece of paper and you're going to cut your paper, fold your paper in half first. Fold it in half. And then you're going to cut on the line. Then you're going to fold one corner over to the side. And you're going to make a triangle. So you see the triangle right here? You got a triangle. That's your triangle. Then you're going to fold this side up. Right, for your rectangle. You're going to turn it over. You should have a small little triangle here, and you're going to fold it over. Then you're going to get a piece of tape, and you're going to tape on the long side right here. This point where you fold it over, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to do a little cut. It doesn't have to be very big at all. Now cut that off. Then you can open it up and you have a funnel. A little bit of an opening at the bottom. There's a little bit bigger opening. And you can take the funnel and you can sit it just up a little bit into your water bottle so that when you scoop your seed in there, maybe it won't spill quite so much. So let's count and see how many scoops of seed I have. Can you guys count with me? 1. I might have to cut my hole a little bit bigger. The seed doesn't want to go down in there very well, does it? Made a mess, didn't I? I'm going to cut this a little bit bigger because that wasn't big enough for all those seeds to get down through there. We'd have been here all day. I don't think I got that kind of time with the clouds rolling in. So let me cut this hole just a little bit bigger. Alright, now let's see how much better that is. I'm either going to make it too big to fit in my bottle or it's going to be too small. Okay, let's try again. We already did 1. Let's count this as 2. Oh, that's better. 2, 3, 4, 5, cutting it a little bit bigger again. Let's see how this goes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you counting with me? 9, 10. I probably have a whole scoop on my table. My seed's getting a little low. I'm going to turn my bag a little bit. What number were we on? 10. So if I add one more, that's going to be 11. And I might have one more in here. Let's see. I'll probably just go ahead and dump this out. $12. And a little bit more. So this is about 12 cups of bird seed, or 12 scoops of bird seed in here. And this, I'm going to take a little bit off of this table that I've spilled. I'm going to try and get it to go in there. Take my funnel, put my funnel down here like this. I'm going to turn this, my bottle, hold my funnel, and scoop my seeds in there. There we go. All right, so now I've got my seeds in there. Now I'm going to take my platform. I'm going to tighten my platform to the top of my bird feeder. Now, Mom and Dad, there are instructions on the bird feeder itself. If you don't want to have to go through watching this video with me again. See if we can get this to go on there the right way. Sometimes it just has to be just the right way. And it doesn't go on very tight. It just goes on a little bit till it can sit on there. And then it's happy with that. All right, here we go. Let's give this a try. You turn it over, and then it fills with bird feed. I'm having a terrible time with my things here. So I might end up poking a hole a little bit deeper down here because I just don't think that's far enough down. Let's see if that helps a little bit. It doesn't like that one at the top. Yeah, that seems to be a little better. Yeah. So you might have to go a little bit further down on your bottle. It seems to like that one. This one's loose and it's kind of higher at the top. But there's your bird feeder. Go put it in a tree. See what you think, how many birds you get, and we're going to keep track throughout the rest of the week. All right? I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.